Everything got shit on me, cause I'm on top of the world.
What you missed on our previous vlog is a pop-up. Me and my mom do pop-ups every week. If you guys are new to my page, you guys wouldn't know that. But every week we do pop-up just to build our clientele, to get our name out there, and of course to get content for YouTube and TikTok. So this is a little clips of what you missed. The full vlog is going to be a link in the description box so you guys can catch up. Good morning. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I am here. I get a class early so I can go to Starbucks. This is Starbucks on campus, and I look forward to doing it every morning. So if you guys haven't seen my previous vlog, I uploaded one yesterday. We was at a pop-up and it was amazing. Hold on, let me let's go before I know the line's gonna be really long. So let's go. Something told me to bring my tripod, but yeah, I didn't. So I got a medicine ball. They didn't have the I don't know what they put in here, but one of the teas they didn't have, so they had to substitute it. So let's see how that tastes. And of course I had to get a double smoked bacon sandwich. It's like the best sandwich, and it's always sold out. So hold on, let me do a video real quick. Alright, I had to do like a cute little video real quick. So it is 8:47. I'm making an amazing farm class, starts at 9:25. So I'm just gonna relax, drink this tea. This tea isn't, it's okay. So after class, I don't have really nothing to do. I can edit this vlog. I still need to clean up. Yeah, I think that's about it. I don't like my hair like this. Yeah, I guess I can do homework. I wish, like I said, I wish I had orders or shit, but it's fine. I need to promote something, actually. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Perfect, because I wanted to do, I'm sorry, I keep on messing with my hair. It's perfect because I wanted to do a lookbook. So yeah, I'm just trying to find like content to post. I need to just go harder with YouTube. It's ridiculous how long I've been on YouTube, and you know, like, alright, I'm sorry guys, I'm multitasking. So yeah, I need to find new content. I wonder if my content's getting boring because I literally post the same, well, not the same thing, but every week. Me and my mom do pop-ups, like you guys know, and I vlog it. But I feel like I like doing that. I'm sorry, I'm not even paying attention to you guys. Hold on, one second. I like doing that, but it's like I'm only getting like what, like 7, like the video I uploaded yesterday, I only got like 7 views on it. But I'm like, I don't know what I can do to get more how I can get more views. I feel like my content is interesting. I'm gonna just change the gears a little bit, I guess. I need to be mindful of the time. But yeah, that's it. Oh, like I said, let me promote something. Try to get some sales. If you guys want to purchase anything from my mom's online site, I'm gonna have a coupon code for you guys. So yeah, nothing interesting is happening today, but I'm going to vlog it for you guys can see what I do when I'm not at the pop-up or if I'm not working. But yeah, I can show you guys how I promote. Let's do that. I can show you guys how I can promote it. Cool. I say it all the time. Like, it's so crazy. This school lacks diversity. I'm sorry, it lacks diversity. I do not like it. I don't. And then I think it's like, yeah. Like, I think in my last weekly vlog I talked about it, how it's a sorority here on campus. I was leaving, walking to my car, and then they were having like a little, like I said, I don't know what they call it, but they was trying to you know, get people to join. And one guy, it's supposed to be a sorority, one guy comes to me and gives me a flyer telling me about it and telling me how I should join, right? And then the girls, they were, you know, not, how am I gonna say this? Okay, I think they were Latinas, right? So all of them were, and you can tell by their facial expression they did not want him to come talk to me and give me the flyer. And I catch on stuff like that, and so they didn't want to tell me the information. He was telling me everything. He was telling them like, oh, tell her, da, da, da. And it was just so dry. And I was like, you know, I'm trying to be nice, whatever. And I took the flyer. It's my first deal, but I didn't like that at all. And I want to join sorority. I probably got a different school, man. I always thought it's interesting that they use Confucius right here. Let's see what the saying says right here. Interesting. Among truly educated persons, there is no discrimination. Interesting. So this school needs to follow his teachings.
Good enough to fuck, but not good enough to vote. She must go for the beauty of Africa.
Now I gotta go talk to my academic.
Show you guys the new arrival. This is so sexy. I know my hair is a mess and I'm about to do my makeup right now. I know this vlog was too short. That's why I have to combine what I'm doing today, which is I am about to film a video. It's a clothing haul, and I'm so surprised. Like, it came in the mail while I was in class, so I'm so excited because it's like I was waiting for this. I thought it was gonna come in like another week or so. So, excuse me. So I was gonna film a different video. I was gonna film a tutorial on something else, but then the package came. So I'm so excited. I want to open it, but yeah, I haven't opened it. But I'm about to give me some apple cider because why not. So yeah, I'm going to just do my makeup, show you guys how I prepare for this type of day. So all morning I was in class. I have a lot of homework to do and I don't really feel like doing homework right now. Ugh. This is so good. Yeah, I don't feel like doing homework right now. Oh shit, it's pouring. Okay. Alright. Making a mess. But yeah, I don't feel like doing homework. I have like 3 papers due. I think like 2's due Sunday and the rest is due on Monday. It's fine. I'm not worried about it. I'm good under pressure. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Okay. So I'm gonna play some music. I hope you guys can hear the background because my neighbors down here, they're having a party. And I can't believe they're having a party this early. It is literally 3:47 on a Thursday. It's crazy. So I hope the music is not loud in this. I hope you guys can hear it basically. I hope you guys can. Oh, sorry. Because I can hear like the thumping. You know what I mean? It's kind of weird. But anyway, so I'm gonna do this makeup, a quick makeup. film the video and then find something to eat. I am going to pick up something to eat. I'm not going to cook. And then eat, do homework, watch TV, relax. And then tomorrow's all about, I have to work at my job. So yeah, let me play some music.